Advanced Anatomy of the Reproductive System for Semester 3 of the Faculty of Medicine. Advanced Anatomy of the Reproductive System. The human reproductive system consists of organs that play a role in the formation, maturation, and transportation of reproductive cells as well as in the process of fertilization and birth. The following is a detailed explanation of the anatomy of the human reproductive system in men and women. Male reproductive system. Testes. The testes are male reproductive glands located in the scrotum. The testes produce sperm cells, male gametes, and the hormone testosterone, which plays a role in the development of male secondary sex characteristics. Epididymis. The epididymis is a winding tube located behind the testes. Here, sperm produced by the testes mature and are stored. Vas deferens. The vas deferens is a tube that connects the epididymis to the urethra. Its main function is to transport sperm during ejaculation. Seminal glands. These glands produce a fluid rich in fructose and provide energy to sperm. Fluid from the seminal glands together with sperm forms semen. Prostate gland. The prostate gland is located below the bladder and surrounds the upper part of the urethra. It produces fluid that helps nourish sperm and regulates the pH so that sperm can move more effectively. Bulbourethral, Cowper, glands. These glands are located near the base of the penis and produce a lubricating fluid that helps reduce friction during ejaculation. Penis. The penis is an external organ that functions to deliver sperm into the female reproductive tract during ejaculation. The penis consists of a shaft, a head, glands, and parts called the corpus spongiosum and corpus cavernosum that contain erectile tissue. Urethra. The urethra is a tube that functions to drain urine from the bladder and semen from the reproductive system out of the body. Female reproductive system. Ovaries. The ovaries are the female reproductive organs that function to produce egg cells, ova, and the hormones estrogen and progesterone that regulate the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. Fallopian tubes. The fallopian tubes are tubes that connect the ovaries to the uterus. This is where fertilization usually occurs, when sperm meets an egg released from the ovary. Uterus. The uterus is a hollow, inverted pear-shaped organ that functions as a place for the development of the fetus during pregnancy. It consists of several parts. Fundus, the upper part of the uterus, where the embryo is implanted. Corpus, the middle part of the uterus that enlarges during pregnancy. Cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects the uterus to the vagina. Vagina. The vagina is a canal that connects the uterus to the outside of the body. The main function of the vagina is as a birth canal for babies during childbirth and as an outlet for menstrual blood and as an organ that receives sperm during sexual intercourse. Labia majora and labia minora. The labia majora are the outer folds of skin that protect the woman's internal reproductive organs, while the labia minora are smaller folds of skin inside the labia majora that protect the urethra and the entrance to the vagina. Clitoris. The clitoris is a sensitive organ at the front of the vulva that has many nerve endings and functions as the main organ for sexual stimulation in women. Bartholin's glands. Bartholin's glands are located on the left and right sides of the vagina, producing lubricating fluid to aid sexual intercourse. Reproductive process. Ovulation. The process of releasing an egg from the ovary usually occurs in the middle of the menstrual cycle. Fertilization. If the egg meets sperm in the fallopian tube, fertilization will occur and form a zygote. Implantation. The zygote moves to the uterus and attaches to the uterine wall to develop into an embryo and eventually a fetus. Delivery. After a gestation period of about 9 months, the baby will be born through the vagina in a process called labor. The female reproductive system is more complex because it deals with the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and childbirth, while the male reproductive system focuses on the production and delivery of sperm.